Masturbation, a natural and common behavior, has gained significant normalization in modern society, often discussed openly in various forums, reflecting a shift from historical stigmas. Historically, masturbation was often viewed with shame and guilt, but contemporary perspectives recognize it as a normal aspect of human sexuality. However, while it can be a healthy expression of sexuality, excessive masturbation may lead to negative psychological effects, including anxiety, depression, and diminished self-control. Understanding these implications is crucial, as they can impact overall mental health and well-being. This awareness sets the stage for exploring Stoicism and self-mastery as potential solutions to compulsive behaviors associated with excessive masturbation. Stoicism, with its emphasis on self-discipline and rational thought, offers valuable insights into managing impulses and fostering a balanced approach to sexuality. By examining these concepts, we can better navigate the complexities of masturbation and its effects on mental health, ultimately promoting healthier habits and a more profound sense of self-control. Current medical perspectives regard masturbation as a normal and healthy behavior, contributing to sexual health and well-being. Research indicates that engaging in masturbation can have various physiological effects, particularly during orgasm, which significantly impacts the male brain. During orgasm, the brain releases a surge of neurotransmitters, including oxytocin and serotonin, which promote relaxation and can enhance sleep quality. This physiological response highlights the potential benefits of masturbation in alleviating stress and improving overall mood. Additionally, the release of dopamine during sexual arousal and orgasm plays a crucial role in the brain's pleasure pathways. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, reinforces pleasurable experiences, which can lead to a cycle of seeking out similar activities. While this can enhance enjoyment, it also raises concerns about the potential for addiction, as individuals may increasingly rely on masturbation for pleasure. Understanding these scientific insights is essential for navigating the complexities of sexual behavior and its effects on mental health. The addictive nature of masturbation can be linked to the excessive release of dopamine, which reinforces pleasurable behaviors and may lead to compulsive actions. When individuals engage in masturbation frequently, the brain's reward system becomes overstimulated, potentially resulting in a cycle of seeking out the behavior to achieve the same level of pleasure. This can lead to hypersexuality disorder, a condition characterized by an overwhelming preoccupation with sexual thoughts and behaviors that disrupt daily life. The implications of this disorder can be profound, affecting not only the individual's mental health but also their relationships. Emotional consequences may include feelings of guilt, shame, and anxiety, which can further exacerbate the cycle of addiction. Additionally, excessive masturbation can lead to relational issues, as individuals may prioritize their compulsive behavior over meaningful connections with partners, leading to intimacy problems and dissatisfaction in relationships. Understanding these consequences is crucial for addressing the challenges associated with compulsive sexual behaviors and fostering healthier habits. Stoicism, an ancient philosophical approach, offers valuable insights into managing desires and achieving self-control. Stoic philosophers believe that while pleasure is a natural part of life, it should not dictate one's actions or happiness. They emphasize the importance of self-control, advocating for a balanced approach to desires rather than succumbing to them. Seneca, for instance, taught that true freedom comes from mastering one's desires and emotions, suggesting that individuals should focus on what is within their control and accept what is not. Similarly, Marcus Aurelius emphasized the significance of self-awareness, encouraging individuals to reflect on their thoughts and feelings to cultivate emotional regulation. By practicing mindfulness and understanding the transient nature of pleasure, one can achieve a state of inner peace. This self-awareness allows individuals to navigate their desires more effectively, fostering resilience against compulsive behaviors. Ultimately, Stoicism provides a framework for individuals seeking to harmonize their desires with a more profound sense of purpose and tranquility in life. Once, I found myself trapped in a cycle of compulsive masturbation, feeling increasingly disconnected from my values and goals. This struggle left me feeling guilty and anxious, impacting my emotional stability and relationships. In my search for a solution, I discovered Stoicism, which became a guiding light on my journey to self-control. The teachings of Seneca and Marcus Aurelius resonated deeply with me, emphasizing the importance of mastering desires and focusing on what I could control. I began practicing mindfulness, reflecting on my thoughts and feelings, which helped me recognize triggers and develop healthier coping mechanisms. By aligning my actions with my personal values, such as integrity, discipline, and connection, I found a sense of true satisfaction that had eluded me. Gradually, I learned to embrace discomfort and redirect my energy toward more fulfilling pursuits. This journey not only helped me overcome compulsive behaviors but also fostered a deeper sense of emotional stability and purpose in my life. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in resisting temptations and achieving mental serenity, offering powerful tools for emotional regulation and clarity. Through meditation, individuals can cultivate a heightened awareness of their thoughts and feelings, allowing them to observe impulses without immediate reaction. This practice promotes mental clarity, enabling one to differentiate between fleeting desires and genuine needs. By incorporating mindfulness into daily routines, individuals can effectively overcome compulsive behaviors, as it encourages a non-judgmental acceptance of thoughts, reducing the power of cravings. The benefits of mindfulness extend beyond mere resistance. They foster a deeper understanding of oneself, leading to healthier decision-making and emotional balance. Practicing self-reflection is essential, as it allows individuals to assess their motivations and align their actions with their core values. Emphasizing moderation in all aspects of life can further enhance this journey, promoting a sense of fulfillment and tranquility. By embracing mindfulness, individuals can navigate temptations with greater ease, ultimately achieving a more serene and balanced existence. As you reflect on your habits, consider how your actions influence your self-esteem and relationships. Each choice we make can either uplift us or lead to feelings of guilt and disconnection. Taking control of your life begins with this awareness. By examining your behaviors, you can identify patterns that may be holding you back. I encourage you to engage with this journey. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others who are navigating similar challenges. Remember, self-improvement is a collective journey, and your voice matters. If you find value in these discussions and want to explore more content on self-improvement and mental health, consider subscribing to our channel. Together, we can foster a supportive community focused on growth and resilience. By taking these steps, you empower yourself to create positive change, enhancing not only your own life but also the lives of those around you. Let's embark on this journey together. In summary, understanding masturbation and its potential for addiction is crucial for maintaining mental health and well-being. We explored how excessive engagement can lead to compulsive behaviors, impacting self-esteem and relationships. The teachings of Stoicism emerged as a valuable framework for cultivating self-control and emotional stability, guiding us toward personal growth and fulfillment. By mastering our desires and aligning our actions with our core values, we can navigate life's challenges more effectively. I encourage you to reflect on these insights and consider how they apply to your own life. If you found this discussion helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content focused on self-improvement and mental health. Your engagement not only supports our community but also fosters a space for shared learning and growth. Let's continue this journey together, exploring ways to enhance our lives and achieve greater emotional well-being. Thank you for being part of this conversation.